we are going to look at how to identify right angles, acute angles, obtuse angles in quadrilaterals, and how many pairs of parallel and perpendicular lines. So let's start with how many right angles. A right angle is a 90-degree angle. And we can look here and see that we have one right angle. And then we'll look right here and we'll see that we have two right angles. I may even put a little R inside there to remind me that those are right angles. So for answering this first one, I would say two right angles. How many acute angles? An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. I know these two are 90 degrees because they're right angles. I'm going to look at this angle first. This one opens bigger than 90, so it's not acute. This one right here opens less than 90. So this is an acute angle. I'm going to put a little A in there to label it acute. So we have one acute angle. Now, how many obtuse angles? There's only one angle left. And when I look at this angle, it's a little bigger than a 90-degree angle. So this one is an obtuse angle. So I'm going to put an O in there for one obtuse angle. Now, we're going to look for parallel lines. We have learned that parallel lines are lines that would never cross if they kept going. I can look at the left side and compare it to the right side or the top side, and we know that they will meet right here in the corner. So these are not parallel, they are intersecting. The left side with the bottom side both meet at this corner. So they are crossing, just like the bottom with the right cross here, and the bottom or the top with the right cross here. So that leaves the top and the bottom to look at. I'm going to sketch a line there. Then a line at the bottom. And if these two sides kept going in the same direction without ending, they would never cross. So two lines make one pair of parallel lines. Now for perpendicular lines. Perpendicular are lines that when they cross, they form a right angle. A simple way to identify perpendicular lines is count the right angles. We have 1, 2 right angles. So there's 2 perpendicular lines. Because the bottom line crosses with the left line to form a right angle. And then the top line crosses with the left line to form a second right angle. So if I sketch the line right here, you can see where 1, 2 lines make one pair, and 1, 2 lines make another pair. Thank you, and I hope this helps.